Hi, this is John from the Appio team. In this tutorial I will explain to you how to enter or edit wallpaper app details. The fields marked with star are mandatory fields. That means you have to fill these fields if you want to build the app. Now let's see how to complete this process. You have already provided the name of the app. This name cannot be edited. If you misspelled the name, delete this app and create a new one. Under the application theme section, you can choose the theme for your app from pre-created color palettes. Or you can choose your own colors using these color pickers. Selecting colors is mandatory. Here you can select the logo for your app. This is also a mandatory process. The supported file types are PNG, JPEG and JPG. File size must not exceed 1 MB. And logo dimensions should be 512 pixels by 512 pixels. Under the general details section, you have to provide support email ID, on which your app user can connect with you. This email ID will be embedded into your mobile application, and will be visible to all. Redirect URL, you can provide a website, blog, or YouTube channel link here, if you own it. You can also skip this, as this is optional. Now we will move to the monetization section. For wallpaper app, currently we are providing the option of Facebook or Meta Audience Network ads. We have created another tutorial on how to create Facebook ads, you can follow that separately. Once your app is live on Play Store, you can create Facebook ad IDs, and can place those IDs here. These IDs will be dynamically placed into your mobile application. For now, select None. Now click on Save and Continue. If any of your provided data is empty or not valid, you'll see the error message. You can scroll and check which fields are showing errors, and rectify them. Once done, click on Save and Continue. That's it for this page. Keep learning, keep earning.